Dear students, welcome back. I hope you all know the different functions of living thing. Today we are going to revise your knowledge about live functions. I have given you a worksheet in the previous lecture. Let's find the answers of those questions in this video. Also, I'm going to explain different exercise questions and you need to do them yourself in your notebooks. Let's begin. Worksheet 1. Question 1. Use the words given below to fill in the blanks in the sentences. Snakes have a special organ in the head which reacts to scent and helps the snake to trail its prey. Spiders have hairy legs. A fish feels vibrations in the water. Birds, reptiles, and insects lay eggs from which babies hatch. Animals such as earthworms and frogs breathe through their moist body surface when they are in water. Question 2. Draw a line connecting each picture below to one of the two words. Butterfly, tiger, and frog are living things. All other pictures show non-living things. Question 3. Give reasons why. A cat is alive. A cat can move from one place to other. A cat can reproduce. A cat can respire. B. A pencil is not alive. A pencil cannot move. A pencil cannot reproduce. A pencil cannot respire. Question 4. List down the characteristics of living things. Movement, respiration, growth, food, and reproduction are different characteristics of living things. Congratulations! You are done with the worksheet. I hope this worksheet helped you in the revision of your knowledge about live functions. Now let's begin with the exercise. I'm going to explain different exercise questions and you need to do them yourself in your notebooks. Let's begin. Open page 31 of your books. Question 1. Choose the correct answer. Number 1. What does locomotion use up? A. Energy, B. Air, C. Petrol, D. Coal. Find out the correct option. Go back and revise your knowledge related to movement. Number 2. Which of these functions is performed by all living things? A. Breathing through the nose. B. Respiration. C. Breathing into lungs. D. Breathing through spiracles. Option A. Nose is used by mammals, birds, and reptiles for respiration. Option C. Lungs are used by humans for respiration. D. Spiracles are used by insects for respiration. Option A, C, and D shows different organs used by different living things to perform respiration. Option B is respiration. You need to tell which of these functions is performed by all living things. Number 3. Which of the following is a waste product which humans exhale? A. Oxygen, B. Air, C. Smoke, D. Carbon dioxide. Go back and revise your knowledge related to respiration. We studied about which gas is inhaled and which gas is exhaled by living things or humans. You need to recall it and find the correct option. Number 4. Fishes have a sixth sense. What is it? A. Hairs on its body. B. Stripes on its body that hide it. C. A line along its body that allows the fish to feel vibrations in the water. D. The ability to read the minds of other aquatic creatures. Go back and revise your knowledge related to sensitivity. We studied about the sixth sense of fishes. Number 5. A fly tastes with its dash. A. Feeler, B. Antennae, C. Feet, D. Tongue. Go back and revise your knowledge related to sensitivity. We studied about which organ is used by fly to taste. You need to find the correct option. Question 2. Match the definition in column A with the correct term in column B. In column A, different definitions are given, and in column B, correct terms are given. You need to match the correct definition with the correct term. Number 1. The ability of living things to move from one place to another. Find the correct term related to this definition. Number 2. The ability of living things to feel things around them. Find the correct term. The process by which living things take in oxygen and give out carbon dioxide. What is this process called? Find out. Number 4. The process by which living things continue to extend their species. Find the correct term related to this definition. Question 3. Fill in the blanks. Number 1. Plants make their own food by a process called dash. You need to name the process by which plants make their own food. Number 2. Plants and animals take in oxygen and give out carbon dioxide. This process is called dash. Name the process by which plants and animals take in oxygen and give out carbon dioxide. Number 3. Animals can move from place to place. This movement is called dash. Number 4. Rafflesia is a dash. We studied about different types of plants. Some plants can make their own food, but some plants do not make their own food. They can be carnivores, parasites, or decomposers. You need to find out what is Rafflesia. Number 5. Insects breathe through dash. Find out the body part used by insects for breathing. Number 6. A snake's tongue picks up dash from the air and ground. Go back and revise your knowledge related to sensitivity. You will find the correct answer of this question. Number 7. Fish breathe through their dash. Find the correct body part. Question 4. Name the living thing. Number 1. It can produce up to 32 babies at one time. Recall your knowledge related to reproduction and you will find out the living thing that can produce up to 32 babies at one time. Number 2. It has 8 legs and builds a web. Recall your knowledge related to sensitivity. You will find out the living thing that has 8 legs and builds a web. Number 3. It flies about at night. It has good hearing. Recall the knowledge related to sensitivity. You will find the answer. Number 4. It breathes through moist skin. Recall your knowledge related to respiration. Number 5. It breathes through stomata. You will find the answer by recalling your knowledge related to respiration. Question 5. Answer these questions. 8 different questions are given and you need to find their answers. Also, write the answers in your notebooks. Number 1. What is one important thing that plants can do but animals cannot? Revise your knowledge related to food and you will find the answer. You will find the important process that plants can do but animals cannot. Number 2. Why do animals move from place to place? Revise your knowledge related to movement. You will find the reasons why animals move from place to place. Number 3. How does a mosquito feed? Mosquitoes use special body part to get their food. Revise your knowledge related to food and you will find the answer. Number 4. Give an example of a plant that does not make food by photosynthesis. How does it get energy? There are 2 parts of this question. In the first part, you need to give an example of a plant that does not make food by photosynthesis. It can be a carnivore, it can be a parasite, or it can be a decomposer. You only need to give one example. In the second part of this question, you need to tell how does this plant get energy. Question 5. What is taking in and giving out air called? Do all animals do this in the same way? What about plants? There are 3 parts of this question. First, you need to name the process. What is taking in and giving out air called? In the second part, do all animals do this in the same way? Either yes or no. Third part, what about plants? Do plants do respiration in the same way or not? Number 6. Why do animals need to be able to sense danger? Describe a few examples of how animals can tell if there is danger nearby. Revise your knowledge related to sensitivity, and you will find why do animals need to be able to sense danger. Also, in the second part, you need to describe a few examples of how animals can tell if there is danger nearby. You will find these examples in your Unit 3. Number 7. What are antennae? Which animals have them and what are they used for? Revise your knowledge related to sensitivity and you will find the answers. Number 8. Explain how animal movements are different from those of plants. We studied in the beginning of this unit that animal movements are different from those of plants. Revise your knowledge and explain your answer in your own words. Question 6. Write about it. Choose one animal and one plant. Write a paragraph about each. Describe how they sense the world around them. Draw pictures too. For this question, you need to choose one animal and one plant of your choice. You need to write one paragraph each for your selected plant and animal. Write about how these living things perform their functions: movement, food, growth, respiration, sensitivity, and reproduction in the description. Read page number 28 and 29 to see how different living things sense their environment and respond in different ways using different body parts. You also need to draw the pictures. Question 7. Mark these sentences with tick or cross. You need to tell which of these sentences is correct and which one is false. Number 1. The hummingbird hovers while it feeds. Is it correct or not? Number 2. Fish do not chew food. Is it correct or not? Number 3. Animals take in carbon dioxide and give out oxygen while breathing. Recall the definition of respiration and you will find whether this sentence is correct or not. Number 4. The lateral line can be found in some plants. Is it correct or not? Number 5. Plants reproduce by producing seeds or spores. Is it correct or not? Thank you. That is all from the exercise. I hope you have understood all the questions and you can write the answers on your own. Good luck. I hope you have solved the exercise questions with full concentration. Now I need you to check this answer key to find out whether your answers are correct or not.